Okay, Algebra 1, I'm going to do a couple of examples of how to solve equations when you have variables on both sides. Remember that the first thing that you want to do is you want to get the variable on the same side of the equal sign. So we always move the one that has the smaller number with it. So this time we want to move the 2x over to the other side. So I'm going to get rid of the 2x, I'm going to go ahead and erase that line, by subtracting 2x. That makes the whole 2x go away. And then I come over here and I want to put it under the 4x, because you always want to keep the ones that have the same letter together. And we say 4x minus 2x, because remember, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. And 4x minus 2x leaves us with 2x. I still have plus 4 right here, and then equals, and then on this side I still have the negative 6. I'm going to bring that down. And now we just solve it like normal. We're going to still try to get the x by itself, so we're going to get this 4 away. So we're going to go minus 4. I'm going to cancel that out. Put a minus 4 under the minus 6. And since we have the same sign, we're going to add these together to get negative 10. And so I have 2x over here left equals negative 10. Now what I need to do to get that x by itself is to divide by 2. That cancels out the 2's. So I come over here and divide by 2. And I have, I'm not going to have room, so I'm going to write it right here real small. X equals negative 5, because negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. And that is your answer. Here is the other example that you're going to have. This time we see that the 3x is smaller than the 7x, so I'm going to move the 3x over to the right side this time. I'm going to do that by subtracting, so I'm going to write minus 3x under here, and then minus 3x under the 7x. That cancels this one out, leaves us with a 4x right here. Let me draw the line because some of you guys like that. There you go. And then, so I've done that, and I have the plus 5 left right here, and then equals negative 7. So this time we need to get rid of everything that's on this right side except the x. So the first thing we get rid of is the plus 5. We need to get rid of the plus 5 by doing the opposite, which is minus 5. That cancels that out, so I'm going to write minus 5 under the minus 7. Again, signs are the same. So we're going to add and keep the same sign, which is negative 12. So we have negative 12 equals 4x, which is what was left over here. So now we're going to get rid of the 4 that's with the x by dividing by 4. So we cancel those out. So I'm going to write divide by 4 over here. And I'm left with x equals negative 3, because negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. And that is it. If you have any questions, send me an email. Go ahead and include the problem with it and just, type it out real quick, whatever it is. That way I can help you with it, because I'm not going to be taking home the worksheet with me. I'm still at school right now doing conferences, but I've had a break, so I wanted to do your video. Guys, have a good evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.